Season greetings, my friends. Welcome back to Jacqueline Marie Living. In today's episode, we're going to be wrapping all the Christmas presents that I have for my family. I'm going to use simple and inexpensive materials to create a beautiful look for these presents. After I wrap up the gifts, I'm going to show you how beautiful they look under the Christmas tree. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie and my channel is all about home decor, cooking, cleaning, and shopping. If you have not subscribed yet, I would love that you subscribe so you will not miss all the exciting episodes that are coming up in the near future. So let's go ahead and start wrapping all the Christmas presents. Okay guys, I already put all the presents in boxes and I took all my supplies, including all my hand stampings that I have with a Christmas motif, all the ink that I use for the stamps, and also I'm going to be using the brown paper that is recyclable and it's very inexpensive. So we're going to use a hand stamp to stamp the paper, and we're going to also use beautiful ribbon to embellish the presents. I'm going to start moving all the supplies to the kitchen island so I have more space, to do all the wrapping. I absolutely love wrapping Christmas gifts. Please comment below and let me know if you like to wrap Christmas gifts. For this year, I want to do a country cottage theme. That's what I'm using, the brown paper and these hand stampings. Please comment below and let me know if you already wrapped the Christmas presents and what theme did you use for this year. I bought this white and red ribbon at Michael's and it was a great deal because it was already 60% off. I'm going to wrap the box with the brown paper. I got this brown paper at Walmart and it was also very inexpensive. As I wrap the box, I'm creating pleats so that at the end there will be these pleats on the top of the box. And there you have it, the first present is all wrapped. But now we're going to continue embellishing with some hand stamping. I'm going to use a hand stamp to stamp the top of the box. I have different kinds of Christmas stamps that I'm going to be using on all the presents. I'm using green and red ink to hand stamp all the presents. Now that the hand stamping is completed, I'm going to start embellishing the present with some ribbon. I bought some name tags at Michael's and I'm going to use them to put the names on each present. I have a variety of hand stamps with a Christmas motif that says to and from. After I stamp the card, I write the name of the person, and the from, of course, is from Santa. I use the same ribbon to attach the name tag to the present. And the first present is all wrapped. Please comment below and let me know what you think about this gift wrapping. And now we're going to continue to wrap the rest of the gifts. And now we're going to use some hand stamps to stamp the top of the box, and then we're going to put a beautiful ribbon.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a sled, Nellie wants a storybook.
To embellish this package, I'm going to use deco mesh instead of a ribbon. I'm going to cut the deco mesh in half and wrap it around the package.
Give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best.
I'm going to wrap this box with the brown paper, but I'm going to also use a band of a colored paper that I got at Costco to put like a band around the package. I'm going to use hand stamping that match the band of the wrapping paper. And for the last gift, I'm going to use the wrapping paper from Costco, and I'm going to make nice splits with this paper. I really like the paper from Costco. It's very thick and it works very well when wrapping gifts. And now that all the Christmas presents are wrapped, we're going to go to the living room to see how beautiful they look under the Christmas tree. hope that this video provided you a lot of inspirations and ideas to wrap your own Christmas gift this year. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, please take some time to subscribe to my channel. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Merry Christmas!